Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Anita. I am super excited about this video. I am going to be showing you guys how I contour and highlight. As you can see on my face, I really do not have eyeliner. I don't have nothing, only lashes. I only have brows done, and the major thing you see here is contour and highlight. Cream contour and then setting it off with the powder form, the contour and the loose powder for my highlight. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. Well, stay tuned. And lest I forget, I just came back from Dubai. I'm a bit tanned, and also I lost my voice, so that's why I sound this way. But I am excited to be doing this video with you guys, so keep on watching. Moving on, I'm going to be highlighting my face with the Kat Von D Warm L7 concealer. So basically, what you do is when you're highlighting your face, you get a shade, 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, and for contouring your face, at least 2 shades darker than your skin tone. And I will highlight under my eyes and also the middle of my nose, my forehead as well, and my chin. You don't have to put as much product under your eye. Really doesn't matter how much product you put because it would still spread when you're blending. I usually bring my highlight all the way here to my nose here, and yeah. The whole idea of highlighting your face is to, you know, at least bring light to your and definition to your face. So what I do is I blend under my eye. And also blend my forehead as well. So I start off highlighting my face before I put my contour. Some people actually put the highlight as well, the cream highlighter on, and the contour as well, and they blend all together like one step at a time. But I like to put my highlight first before going in with my contour, so at least I know what I'm blending. So that's done. I am also going to be contouring my face again with the Graftobian palette, this concealer. I'm going to be taking in the dark shade. Not sure I know the name of this particular shade that I'm using, but I'm using the brown dark shade. This is almost empty. I'm just going to use that with the slim brush. It's a Technic brush, Real Technic brush. I'm going to use this slim brush, and for you to get your contoured cheekbone area, you can like suck your cheek in like this, and you can see the lines underneath. So literally it's the shallow area right here that you contour, and it's from your jaw, your hairline right here all the way down and all the way as well. Now people have different structures of faces, and it might not be the same way I apply my contour that other people would apply their contour as well. But this actually is the shape of my face, so I actually would do my contour this way. And I also go in, as you can see, my forehead isn't so big. I still love to contour my forehead, so at least it gives me like a more smaller forehead. And if you have a larger forehead, you are like obligated to contour your forehead so it doesn't look all over in everyone's faces. So but I just like put this on right here and then right here as well, and then onto my jawline as well. The purpose of contouring your face is to give definition to your face and a more constructed, you know, facial structure. Also, I contour my nose. Away. I'm going to be using this fluffy brush, this e.l.f. fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that to brush out my contour. So I'm like literally not like brushing all the way. I'm like lightly in a circular motion blending out my contour. You can also use a blender if you choose to, but I usually would, for this video, I am going to be using my brush. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. My socks today, I lost it. Struggling. I take it all the way to my brow bone as well. So all I'm doing is just blending and blending. When you contour under your jawline, it's an illusion that you do have like a well-structured face. I am going to go in with my beauty blender and just swap it up by blending perfectly again. This is one of my favorite part of the makeup. I love to contour my face. I love, love, love contouring my face. Then I go back here again and I just blend everything all together. So everything is all precise and there's no harsh lines. It's all done. So before I go in with my loose powder to set under my eyes, I usually would start off putting my powder, just a normal face pressed powder under my eye with the brush, and I just dab, dab, dab. Well, this is my preference. I just do this because I want like a very, very soft and easy surface to work on when I apply my loose powder under my eyes. I do the same thing on here as well. Usually I set all my face first. I set everything with powder before going in with the powdered contour and highlight, that loose powder. So I'm gonna go in with a bigger brush because this is too stressful. And I'm going to go in with this big brush and so as I'm doing this, I am setting all my face. I'm setting everything, the highlight, the contour. Literally, you won't see no harsh lines anymore. And then right after, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder, loose powder, to set under my eyes. So setting under my eyes, I usually like using a small brush, so it can be very easy to go in. Some people use a beauty blender to go in under the loose powder under the eyes, but I like using my very little brush to set my under eyes. I usually don't like baking my face for so long, so I usually would not put so much powder under my eyes. I just apply it like I'm applying normal powder on, like a pressed powder on. If you're going to use a smaller brush, it might take a longer time to apply the loose powder on. You can also go in with a bigger brush if you can, but I like using a smaller brush. just packing and packing my loose powder under my eye. Now the trick for a smaller nose is, you know, I initially highlighted, you know, the side of my nose just to let my nose look a bit smaller and just to give an illusion that it's a bit smaller. So I brought in my highlight all the way here, my cream highlight all the way here. So the same thing, I'm going to apply my loose powder all the way here as well. Just to intensify that area that I highlighted. See, it's all there. Same thing on my nose as well. Middle of my nose, in my forehead. Highlighting under my face with my loose powder, I'm going to use a bigger brush, the same brush I used for my pressed powder. I'm going to use that all over my face just to buff out the excess and blend in to my skin. So I do not bake for so long, okay? It is just my decision. I don't like baking for so long because I feel like when I bake for so long, I start having like a crease under my eyes, like cracks and all that stuff. So I try not to do that. So I just go in quickly, take it out. As you can see, my nose looks a bit smaller because my highlight is all the way in right here. And I'm going to go in and contour my face. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish shade dark. And I'm gonna use the Sephora brush. It's such a flat brush and it's really, really fluffy. So I would use that and go over my cream contoured area. So I just press and press. I don't swipe, I press. So I'm only just going over that part where I initially contoured with my cream. And I'm going to do that on the other side as well. And then I bring it up this way. I don't take it down, okay? And then my forehead as well. Literally, you're just like writing a 3 on your face. That's what it is. So it's write like this and this way. I'm going to contour my nose with the same powder and with the smaller sharp brush, and I have no idea where my mirror is. The hell? Oh, okay. Found it. Okay, I'm going to contour my nose, giving me an illusion that I just had my nose done, a nose job. So I slightly just, you know, just tap, 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 drag the line up all the way to my brows, and I'm going to do that to the other side as well. Now this is the magic of makeup. Makeup is an art, and I love the way it actually structures our faces, makes us beautiful. Even though we are beautiful, it just makes us even more beautiful. So you might be thinking, oh, the nose is too dark and all that stuff. You just need to go back in and just use your powder brush and just tap over it, and it's all gone. All done. And you can also go in with the initial fluffy brush that I used to highlight my face. I'm gonna go in again and just clean out the harsh lines on the side. Going in with my fluffy brush just to blend again, because I like to blend. And if you want a more visible chiseled out line right here, you can just use your highlight back again and just highlight that area, and you do the same thing over here as well. And I don't let it last long. I just take it out and then I blend. All done. This is how I contour my face. So I'm done with the look, and I hope it was quick and fast and easy to learn. Please, if you love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!